Good morning!
Good morning, everybody. So today is day 3.
And we just arrived in Georgetown in Grand Cayman. Yay! We haven't been here before.
It's a really small island, but here we are.
And we slept late, but now it's time to get breakfast. Yum, 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 and then hit the town. Good morning again.
Good morning. So we picked up our coffee and food. We're ready for some breakfast. Cheers, everybody.
Cheers. And we have so many great options, but what I got today was eggs Benedict, a hash brown, 1 sausage, and some crispy bacons. Yum, yum, yum. Love them crispy. And also a roasted tomato.
I picked up some smoked ham, bacon. I got looks like it's a hash brown, some salsa, and I'm gonna try some salmon, smoked salmon today. It's gonna be good.
Then we're gonna be heading out into town. But check out this view we have. It is beautiful. And there's a lot of ships in port today.
Oh,
so
today,
check it out.
Today the water is so blue. You gotta check this out.
Okay, so we are in Grand Cayman. Because of shallow waters, we're on a tender boat right now.
And the water here is really, really choppy. You really got to be careful when you get on this tender boat.
You gotta see the color of this water. This video does not do it justice. It's such a beautiful aqua blue turquoise color. Gorgeous. We made it to Cayman Islands. So here we are. We're gonna start walking around town. Okay, so right now we are walking the boardwalk. So we landed over there from the tender boat and now we're walking downtown on the boardwalk and the weather is beautiful. There's a lot of shops and we just passed a mall and here we are walking right next to the water. A lot of ships in port today. And here we go on our adventure. Oh, look at the baby chickies. Oh, so cute. They're eating. Welcome from Georgetown, Grand Cayman Islands. So we had to try the local beer and this is called the K Brew and it tastes really good. As you can see, I'm almost done. Very light tasting, very refreshing and tasty too. Am I right?
That's right. So we always ask the locals, what is the local beer? And they recommended this. This is their beer and it's delicious.
Super good. Definitely recommend it. Cheers!
Cheers.
Okay, so here we are at another shopping destination and also tender boats come over here as well. We just had some food at the Shack, Snappers Bar and Grill, and the food was delicious. And now we are heading to the liquor store, but there's a bunch of shops over here and then we're gonna start heading back into the ship. Lots of great times here in Cayman Islands. Well, good evening.
Well, good evening to you, madam.
So, as you can see, we're in the Opus dining room and we are ready for dinner.
Yes, today's day 3. We just came from Grand Cayman Islands, which was really a good time. Had fun. Wow, the atmosphere here is really, really elegant.
Yes. So, we're about to order dinner and our drinks are coming very shortly.
Okay, so we just ordered our first drink of the night. I got myself a margarita.
I got myself an apple martini.
Yes, let's toast.
Cheers, my love.
Cheers, my love. Here's to many more. Oh.
So good. Yum, 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 yum.
Yum, yum, yum.
So The nice thing is they give you a bread basket, which we have been enjoying. And now we're gonna have our escargot. And it tastes so good. It smells so good.
I got some escargot here, which is going to be delicious. I can smell the garlic. Look out, he's trying to get away. Delicious.
I got Caesar salad.
Oops. So did I.
We're ready to dig in, and it smells so good. You can smell the anchovies. Totally authentic.
Okay, so our main entree just showed up, and I got the pan-seared top sirloin steak. Man, does it smell good and look good.
You also got some veggies and potatoes too. And I also opted for the sirloin steak, but I got it grilled, and this one came with vegetables and mashed potatoes. Yum, yum, yum. Let's dig in. So dinner was delicious.
Yeah, it's time for some dessert. Chocolate cake. This is gonna be good.
And I got my favorite creme brulee. It is such a treat. I love this. So it's custard with some sugar that is crystallized on top. Yum, yum, yum. Here, let me show you what it looks like. So you just crack the top, and then this is what it looks like.
Wow.
Delish. Definitely recommend it.